Hey guys, Mitchell from Whiteline here. Today I'm going to show you how to install a KDT967, which is a transmission mount insert for all 10th gen Civics. It's a pretty easy install, so let's head into the car and I'll show you how to install this. Alright guys, we got the mount off. As you can see, in the middle, there's only 2 contact points. So there's a lot of void on the sides. So what we're gonna do is actually fill those voids with our insert. What I wanted to do was put the mount in a vise and just show you how much flex it has. Let's crank down. So once the bushing's all greased up, it's gonna go in pretty easy. There is 2 little markings on the inside. I've already cut those off. You just need to get some tin snips. You take them right off. But once it's all greased up, basically just push it in by hand. Don't worry about if the sides are bowed out. Once it's in the car, the mount and all the torque on the bolt, it's gonna flatten it out. All right guys, we just finished up the install of the transmission mount insert for this 10th gen Civic. I'm going to finish buttoning up the vehicle, get it down on the ground, do a test drive. This install was super simple. You could do it at home. The main thing that helped me out a lot was getting the weight off of this transmission. So you can use jack stands, some jacks, and should be a really easy install. I think it took me probably about 30 minutes. That's plus lifting up the vehicle and whatnot. So I'm gonna take it for a test drive, and yeah, see you in the next video.